Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's been a while, but anyways, in this video we are going to be doing a charging test comparison with Honor 8X, Honor 9N and Honor 7X. Now I've already done it with Honor 7X and Honor 9N, but that was long ago. After that, both of these phones got a lot of updates. So we'll be using the default charger. All have the same rating, 5 volts, 2 amp, and let's see how much time each phone takes. Now Honor 8X obviously has the biggest battery, and then Honor 7X, then Honor 9N. And if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up, it really helps. So we are starting at 7:18 and we're plugged in. Let's see what happens, and I'll be updating you guys every half an hour. Okay, so Honor 9N, Honor 7X and Honor 8X as well. So yeah guys, sit back, relax. So there we have it guys, Honor 7X and Honor 8X almost took the same time. Honor 7X actually full charged 1 minute earlier than Honor 8X, 2 hours 44 minutes, and Honor 8X 2 hours 45 minutes. And Honor 9N takes a lot of time. I think when I did it last time it almost took the same time, but Honor 7X took a little bit more time. I think last time when I did it took like 2 hours 33 minutes or something like that. But there we have it guys. So 2 hours 44 minutes for Honor 7X, 2 hours 45 minutes for Honor 8X, and 3 hours 5 minutes for Honor 9N. And I'm yet to get the Android Pie update on Honor 8X. I'll make a video when I get it. So make sure you subscribe guys, like, subscribe, share, and peace out.